Parents, sing along with your little one. Let's learn shapes and have some fun. A circle's round like the sun so bright. A square has corners for just right. A triangle points up to the sky. A rectangle's long as it waves goodbye. Shapes, shapes, come and play. Let's learn them together every day. Family singing, voices strong. Come on now, join our shape song. An oval smooth like an egg you see. A star shines bright for you and me. A heart shows love in every way. A diamond sparkles night and day. Shapes, shapes, come and play. Let's learn them together every day. Family singing, voices strong. Come on now, join our shape song. Parents say circle. Kids say circle. Parents say square. Kids say square. Parents say triangle. Kids say triangle.